Hello guys, welcome to the channel again. This is a basic tutorial video for Nikon D3100. In this video we are going to look into how to replace SD card on the camera. So on the right hand side of the camera, as you're holding it, you can see where it says card, and all you have to do is just push it out and it will open up. And once that's done, there's the SD card already present in there. You press it to release it, and if you have a fresh SD card that's going into the camera, ensure that the golden bit over here goes facing that way so that the logo of the SD card is facing towards basically back of the camera. And when you have inserted it halfway, basically push it until you hear that click, and once it's done, the SD card is in place. And with the flap again, push it down, and as you can see, a little bit of it is hanging out. And when you're in the state, basically push it from the top and it locks into place. And that's how you change the SD card on Nikon D3100. To take it out again, then with this flap over here, basically push it out and leave it, it will come out. And with the SD card, press it once and it comes out halfway, and all you have to do is pull it out. There you go. Thanks for watching guys, and if you have not subscribed to the channel already, please consider subscribing. I'll be bringing more videos on DSLR cameras and photography. See you next video guys. Bye.